Hey y'all, Miss Candy here from Algebra Student, and today we're looking at an actual success story from a former student of mine who I really think can inspire a lot of you who say, I've never been good at math. My sweet friend Heidi, who graduated 3 years ago now and is in college on the other side of the country, playing golf in college, just living the life. She's having a great time and off on lots of new adventures all the time. And I have this sweet little graduation announcement that she'd given me when she did graduate, along with a letter that she wrote to me at the time. And so I reached out to her and this morning and said, that I was doing a video about for students who struggle with math and who feel like that they have always never been good at math. And I said, is it okay if I share your story? And I'm going to read it. She said, yes, that's totally okay. I knew it would inspire somebody someday. I've been so blessed to have people like you who support me on my ever crazy and ever changing life plans. Because she's actually headed out today to drive across the country to start at a new school, so that's exciting. So I'm sharing it with you because I didn't know Heidi before she walked into my classroom, just like most high school teachers don't know their students ahead of time, or a lot of times we don't. And so we were well into class. I'd known her for a few weeks at least before she told me that she'd never, she'd always had a hard time with math, and it just never made sense to her, never clicked with her. And so just know that your high school teacher doesn't necessarily know that you're struggling to the extent that you feel it. If you feel like I've always struggled and I've always had this problem, but that also means they don't have this preconceived, oh, she's terrible at math, she's probably gonna fail because she's so bad at math. Like, we're not thinking that. So anyway, all right, so I'll read parts of what she wrote. She said, thank you for your constant patience with me and my inability to learn a simple math problem. I wouldn't have been able to pass math without you. Now, I only taught her one class out of 4 in high school. So sweet. Thank you for the times you stayed after and repeated the same answer 3 or 4 times until I finally understood how I got it. You taught me a different kind of patience and understanding. Even though I only knew you a short time, I feel like you led me down a good path. I'll always come back to see you, and I'll always bring chocolate, which is so cute. And she did. She's come back to see me a couple of times since she graduated. Thank you for the wisdom and love you've poured into every student that came through and will come through your door just as I have. You've given me a present that I'll take through life with me, and it isn't the Pythagorean theorem. I love you so much, and thank you for the support since I first walked into your class. All right, so I feel like this is a little toot my own horn kind of thing, and that's not what I'm trying to do here. I really wanted to encourage you that you are likely to be that person that walks in saying, I've never been good at math my whole life, and yet you're going to be able to connect with a teacher who's really going to help you to have that success so that you can pass algebra, pass geometry, whatever, and move on with your life. And so I wanted to encourage you that it worked for Heidi. I mean, she's doing really cool things and having lots of success in college, and I'm sure she will in her career one day and in her family life and all of that kind of stuff. And so this thing with math doesn't have to be the biggest thing in your life, and it's something that you can overcome, and hopefully that will come through your hard work and maybe your connection with a great teacher. And if you don't see one in person, then yeah, I would love for you to check out my other stuff, and I would love to be able to help you to make sense of algebra and to get through it and to just not have that feeling hanging over you anymore. So thanks to Heidi for letting me share her story. Thank you, Heidi. And I hope that she inspires you, that you too can be someone who used to say, I've never been good at math.